Sun's out, fun's out. Whatever the season, children need to play and learn. But summer opens up a big, beautiful world of possibilities for play, exercise, and adventure. Let's look at the top 5 summer activities for kids. You've got to start with water activities. There are so many ways to stay cool. The pool, of course, a beach on the lake or the ocean, or a water park. Splash parks and pads are a great way for young ones to get wet and cool off without much worry. While kids and water are a natural, remember the importance of both water safety and sun safety. Our second grade summertime activity, exploration. Hike it. A family hike is a great way to get you and me time. Just head out the door or plan a day trip to a new place. Woods and forests offer cover from the sun and the heat, but remember bug spray. Bike it. Hop on and head out for a fast ride or soak in the scenery on any number of safe and dedicated trails for biking and hiking. Explore a creek or any body of water. There are all kinds of discoveries along a creek bed offering opportunities to appreciate nature. Our third summer activity takes you to the animal kingdom. Zoos, farms, even bird watching. Visit your local zoo or try one in your region. The majority of animals are most active in warmer months. Look for working farms, for agri-tours and experiences. They offer a real-life, hands-on window into where our food comes from. Children can get an appreciation for nature, farming, and sustainability. While you're on that hike, try bird watching. There are books and apps that help you and the kids identify birds by color, size, even song. Or have the birds come to you. Build or buy a bird feeder or house. See who shows up. That gets us to number 4, nurture nature. Grow a garden. Fruits, veggies, or flowers. Children learn the value of tender, loving care and patience. Or find a local you-pick farm to see when their produce is ripe and ready for picking. Fairs and festivals is number 5 on our list. They are in full bloom in the summer. Fairgrounds, church festivals, cultural and ethnic events, you will likely find plenty to choose from in your area. Go local, or visit new neighborhoods or towns. It's a good way to try different foods and cultures, or stick with tried and true favorites. Either way, if it's summer, don't forget the ice cream, always at the top of any summertime list. Happy summer!